We're hearing more and more about celebrities getting their fillers dissolved, especially lip fillers. I'm going to tell you all about dissolving lip fillers, how long it takes, whether you can get it done or not. I'm Dr. Nika Goyal, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Soul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. Today, we're going to talk about dissolving fillers. The first thing to understand is that can you get the filler dissolved or not? If you've been injected with a hyaluronic acid-based filler, then yes, you can. Now, what happens in dissolving lip fillers is we're using hyaluronidase to dissolve and break down the hyaluronic acid. So potentially anywhere you've been injected with hyaluronic acid, even if you have natural hyaluronic acid in your skin and you get injected with hyaluronidase, it would help to break it down. One of the most common indications for dissolving is the lips, because I think this area is the most obvious, where if you're not happy with the shape, the size, maybe it looks a little lumpy, or your injector wasn't so experienced or good, or you're not satisfied with the outcome, people do tend to choose to dissolve the lips most commonly. What to expect? Now, when we dissolve a lip filler or any filler, immediately it does work, but it takes about 48 to 72 hours for an optimum effect. And after 1 to 2 weeks, you would see the final effect of the dissolving of the filler. Also, keep in mind that when you dissolve a filler, you could see some bruising, some inflammation, some swelling. So initially, it may even look worse. If you've seen pictures of Orfi Javed recently, she had also promoted how she had dissolved her lip fillers and her face fillers, and it looked really strange. And a lot of people gave her a negative feedback, and a lot of comments came on the video about how it was looking terrible and unnatural, but that's not the way you're going to look. Initially, there is a lot of swelling and inflammation too. The final outcome of dissolving fillers is dependent on the type of filler used, and that will also dictate the number of sessions required. The number of sessions required for the hyaluronidase injections is dependent on the type of filler used. So the thicker the product, the more time it would take. Generally 1 to 2 sessions is sufficient. Sometimes even in one session we can dissolve the filler enough and you're quite satisfied with the result. It depends on what you're looking for. The bottom line of this video was that don't be scared if you get a filler and you're not happy with it. It can be managed as long as it's a hyaluronic acid based filler. If you found this video helpful, or if you think that anyone could benefit from it, share it with them, like the video and subscribe to my channel.